Hello, I decided to make a video of my Frekeeh soup. I already boiled some chicken and I will show you the steps in the video. I will add that, but I used this chicken for another recipe, but I kept one piece of a chicken breast with the broth because I couldn't use the broth in that recipe. I'm gonna make a Frekeeh soup with it. Okay?
We start by adding some vegetable oil and some diced onion. Saute the onion until it gets light brown color. Then we're gonna add the chicken breast. Now we add the spices. Cover the chicken with some boiled water and let the chicken cook until it's ready.
Okay, I'm gonna start with frying some onion with some olive oil. I'm not using a lot of onion here because I used half onion in the chicken broth, which we're gonna use for the soup. I have here some garlic.
We add now the washed and drained frekeeh and we cook it with the onions for a good 5 minutes before we add the chicken and the chicken broth to it. Now we add the fully cooked shredded chicken breast. Now we add the chicken broth to the frekeeh and chicken, and we're gonna add extra boiled water and let it cook for a good 45 minutes until the frekeeh is fully cooked and the soup will be done.